Wait. Is everybody? If we crash or something, go back in the back and then press the red button that's back there, and then it will unlock the gas, and then we'll be able to exit safely. Okay, sir.
Okay.
And there's an exit on the side over there. And if you're able to roll down the window, and you could escape that way too. Okay.
We're gonna die.
And everybody put on their seatbelts.
There's no seatbelt.
Get ready.
There's no seatbelt.
Okay, we're going. Oh. Sir, what's happening to your body? Sir, what's happening, sir? Sir, do we not have a driver? Sir, what's happening? Okay,